Hello everyone, and welcome back to another episode of Sketch with Me. My name is Tracy Telgan, and today we're going to be doing an ink and watercolor geranium. This is what the finished piece will look like. The materials that you'll need for this painting are watercolor paper, some washi tape if you'd like to tape your piece of paper down, a pencil, a permanent ink black fineliner pen. I'm using a Uniball Vision needle, a glass or jar of water, a watercolor paintbrush. I'm using a number 2 Fumui, a white palette or a ceramic dish, some paper towel, and an eraser. The paints I'm using are a Winsor and Newton Permanent Rose and Hooker's Green Light. So I'm just taping my piece of paper down with some washi tape. And the first thing that I've done is draw a circle with a smaller circle in the middle. This small circle will be the center of the geranium. Next, I'm going to do the petals, and there are 5 petals on this geranium. They're sort of in the shape of a guitar pick. Then I'm sketching the darker part of the center of the geranium. I'm adding some lines in different lengths to create some texture in the petal, and then I'm doing scalloped edged leaves with some veins branching off into 3 veins, and each of those veins have an upside down V shape at the end of them. Now I'm just outlining all of my pencil lines with the black fineliner pen. You'll want to use a permanent marker so it won't bleed when we paint with the watercolors. I'm making the edge of the leaves more defined and darker to provide some contrast. Then I grabbed my eraser and I erased all the pencil lines gently. I wanted to do this before I started painting. So we're going to take our pink paint and fill in the petals of the geranium. And then we'll do the center with a more concentrated darker pink of the same paint that we were using. Then we're going to let that dry and we're going to work on the leaves. We'll paint those in with 1 layer of green. We'll add 2 dabs of green to the center of the geranium. And then we'll take some more of that green and paint another layer of green as shown once that first layer is dry. I'm going back to the center of the geranium to add some more pink to make it darker. And then I'm going to add some pink underneath the edges of the petals that are overlapping to create a shadow. Then I'm just adding some water to blend it out a little bit. And there is our finished geranium painting. I'd like to thank you for watching this quick tutorial, and if you've enjoyed it, please check out my other tutorials that are shown below. Please like, comment, or subscribe if you enjoyed this tutorial. Take care and bye for now.